Do you want to add watermark on your pictures but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you are doing very well. In this video, I will let you know how you can add watermark to your pictures free of cost. So let's start the video. So this is the picture. We will add watermark to this picture. First of all, open your browser and then you have to search I love IMG. Then you will see this kind of website. Open the first website in new tab. Then you will see this kind of page. Here you will see a lot of another tools which you can use for free, and it is super easy to use this website. So I will use watermark image. Then you will see this kind of page. Then you have to select the image from your PC. I'm selecting this image. Here we go. And now you will see on right hand text option. Click on that. Then you will see text on the image. Now you can write anything you want and you can adjust where you want to put the watermark. And then you have to click on watermark images. Here we go. And in few seconds, your image will be generated. Then you have to download the image. And here we go. I'm clicking on download watermark images. And in few seconds, image will be downloaded. And there we go. The watermark has been done. So this is how you can add watermark to your images free of cost with few simple steps. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, click on like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Take care. Bye bye.